Hi everyone, my name is Francis and I'm here to give you some tips on managing your money as a freelancer. Today we're going to talk about tax. No one likes paying tax. Unfortunately, if you earn under 79,000 in a year for this tax year, you don't have to pay any tax. But it may be that you do a job that's only 10,000 Rand and that job is for a film company and they deduct PAYE tax. Now you haven't earned 80,000 Rand, you don't have to pay tax, but this tax has now been deducted on your behalf and paid to this South African Revenue Service. I'm going to tell you a little bit about how to get that money back. So it's very important that you first of all register with SARS and you get a tax reference number. You have to do this in person, and I encourage you to set aside a day and go early to a SARS office that's accessible to you. It may also be possible to register online via e-filing. Once you have your tax number, this will enable you to work for production companies that may employ you on sets or for other job opportunities. If you get a payslip and they have deducted PAYE, it means that this company has paid a portion of your earnings on your behalf to the government. As I said, if you earn less than 80,000 Rand in a tax year, then you get all of that money back. If you earn more than 80,000, but you have expenses that can bring that total amount down to 80,000, you should still get everything back. If you've earned under 80,000 and you want to get this money back, all you have to do is ensure that you get a IRP5 document from the production company that employed you. This is a document which lists your gross income with that production company, and it lists the percentage that was deducted for PAYE. This can be as much as 25%, by the way, which is quite a large amount, and it's why it's very important for you to keep a record of these documents. And at the end of the tax year, once the filing season opens, you can then go into a SARS branch and submit those documents, and they will refund you that amount. The tax year ends on the end of February every year. The filing season opens on the 1st of June every year. And between May and June, that is the time to contact the production company and request they send you the IRP5 document. If they tell you that they can't give it to you, you are allowed to report them to SARS. They have to legally give you that document if they deducted PAYE. It may be that they did not deduct PAYE, in which case they may clarify that point, and if no money was deducted on your payslip, then there's nothing to get refunded to from SARS. I'd like to make another point, and that is around tax directives. Now, even if you earn hundreds of thousands of rands, 25% may still be too much. So it can still be higher than the tax rate that you should be paying. Anyone who is earning an income as a freelancer can go to SARS and apply for a tax directive document. It's called an ITA 3B form. You can go to SARS, you can request it, and you fill in your income for the previous year. And if your income for the previous year meant that you paid a tax rate of less than 25%, you can apply for a lower percentage to be deducted from your income. I know this sounds quite technical, but my point is that you can get an official letter from SARS that says that a production company should not deduct 25%, they should maybe deduct 20% or 18%. 18% is the lowest that you can get a directive for, but that's a full 7% more income that's coming into your pocket every time you get paid, that you don't have to wait sometimes a year and a half for to get back from SARS. I can't give you all the details in this short video, but as long as you remember tax directive, you can go to SARS and ask them how to apply for one. it's so much in your interests to get as much of your paycheck each time you get paid up front and not to let SARS take 25% of it. And remember that if you earn less than 80,000 in a full year, you should get every bit of tax back that was deducted on your behalf.